Latest update on Hurricane Irma. It's got winds of 155 miles an hour and a pressure of 925 millibars as of 9 PM UTC, September the 8th. It's at 22.2 north, 76.4 west, and hurricane warnings have been extended in Florida as the storm continues to approach. Not only that, but the track continues to shift further west, with hurricane percentage chances rising by 10% on average on the western coast and 20% higher on the Keys. They're now all above half chance. The storm's expected to now pass very close to the northern coast of Cuba as it continues to keep on its solid west motion at the moment, lower in latitude than expected, and then curve towards the northwest, probably striking the Florida Keys and the southwestern coast as a Category 4. It's 93 miles north-northeast of Las Tunas, Cuba, 111 miles northeast of Camagüey, and 153 miles east-northeast of Ciego de Ávila. It's a stage 7 on the CDPS scale, meaning it is a potentially catastrophic storm and could produce total damage to some areas where it makes landfall. Right now, it's not looking so great on satellite imagery, but hurricane warnings are in effect for Sebastian Inlet to Ana Maria Island, including the Florida Keys, Lake Okeechobee, and Florida Bay. The Bahamas still under hurricane warnings in total, and hurricane watches now extend to the Flag of Volusia County line and to the Suwannee River on the west, and for the same locations in Cuba than we had at the last update. On the right hand side you can see the chances, the hurricane chances and how they've changed since the last update, and percentage chances are rising, 60% in Fort Myers for example, and above that further south. What we expect in the next few days is a track that looks a bit like this, retaining Category 4 intensity for the next 48 hours, and then the storm curling towards the northwest on Saturday into Saturday night and Sunday, and then moving through the western coast of Florida on Sunday. Still could be a hurricane by then, by the time it reaches the Tampa area. Sea surface temperatures right now are very warm indeed, as has been the case all the time, and you can see the other two systems as well. Katia, a Category 2, not far from the coast of Mexico, and Jose, still 150 mile an hour Category 4 storm. In terms of wind shear, Irma has the best of it, but Katia is not looking too bad, and Jose is riding the edge of an extremely high amount of wind shear there, and may begin to weaken soon. The National Hurricane Center is predicting that Jose has reached its peak. As for Irma, we expect that weakening will be very slow to occur, and eyewall replacement cycles are continuing to occur within the storm, and it really doesn't know exactly what it wants to do right now. Cloud tops have lowered, the eye temperature has remained around the same, but it's been trying to organize a new eye around itself all day long, and it's really been struggling to that effect. And cloud tops have been lowering slightly. Force 13 SADOP suggests a wind speed of somewhere around 145 miles an hour, but Recon still finds winds a little bit higher. That's all for now, more soon. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time with its tracker. You can also find us on YouTube, search Force 13 if you're not there already, subscribe if you haven't. You can also find us on Facebook and on Twitter, search Force 13 all in text to find us on there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.